In the heart of every trail, a star begins to rise, with dreams as vast as Africa, reaching for the skies. Biniam with courage in his soul, on the roads of France he's set to claim his goal. Oh, Biniam, the king of the race, you brought hope, you brought grace. First black African to take the lead, in your triumph we all believe. The crowd roared loud, the finish line in sight. Biniam surged with power in the golden morning light. He conquered mountains with a heart so bold. In every pedal stroke, a story to be told. Oh, Biniam, the king of the race, you brought hope, you brought grace. First black African to take the lead, in your triumph we all believe. The Eritrea celebrates, Africa rejoices. In Biniam's victory, we find our voices. A beacon of hope, a symbol of pride. With you, Biniam, we're side by side. From Asmara to the Champs-Élysées, your name is sung in every heart and every tongue. You've shown the world what dreams can achieve. In your victory we all believe. But Biniam, the king of the race, you brought hope, you brought grace. First black African to take the lead, in your triumphs we all believe. But Biniam, the king of the race, you brought hope, you brought grace. First black African to take the lead, in your triumph we all believe. So ride on, Biniam, with the wind at your back. In the annals of history, you've made your track. For Eritrea, for Africa, for the world to see. In your victory we found our unity. The Eritrea celebrates, Africa rejoices. In Biniam's victory, we find our voices. A beacon of hope, a symbol of pride. With you, Biniam, we're